What was there before the Big Bang? What existed before everything existed? Before stars, galaxies, time, or even space itself? The Big Bang, our best scientific model, tells us how the universe began, but not what came before it. So today, we're going to unpack the theories, the paradoxes, and the strange science behind one of the biggest questions in existence. What was there before the Big Bang? Let's start at the very edge of time. What was the Big Bang? Really? First, let's clear something up. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space. About 13.8 billion years ago, the entire universe, all matter, energy, and even space and time, were compressed into a single, unimaginably dense point called a singularity. And then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded outward. Not into something, but creating space as it went. So when we ask, what was before it? We're not just asking about matter. We're asking about time itself. Why before might be a broken question. Here's where it gets weird. Time, as we understand it, may not have existed before the Big Bang. Imagine asking, what's north of the North Pole? It's not a real direction. In the same way, before the Big Bang might not be a real time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time are linked. One can't exist without the other. So if space didn't exist yet, maybe time didn't either. To some scientists, the Big Bang was not just the beginning of matter, it was the beginning of time itself. Theories about what could have come before, but not all scientists agree. Let's look at a few leading theories. 1. The cyclic model. In this theory, the universe expands and contracts, over and over. Each Big Bang follows a big crunch. No beginning, no end, just infinite cycles. 2. The multiverse theory. Our universe might be just one bubble in a vast multiverse. In this view, new universes constantly form, each with its own Big Bang. We just happen to live in one of them. 3. The quantum gravity hypothesis. In quantum physics, energy can exist in a vacuum. Some scientists believe a random quantum fluctuation triggered the Big Bang, like a spark in absolute nothingness. 4. The no-boundary proposal by Stephen Hawking. Hawking suggested that time may have started as a curved surface, no edges, no beginning. Think of it like a globe. You can travel around it, but there's no starting point. The science versus philosophy dilemma. Here's the challenge. These theories are fascinating, but right now we can't test them. The laws of physics, as we know them, break down at the singularity. That means the answers may be hidden in a realm beyond our math, beyond our measurements, maybe even beyond our comprehension. So this question, what came before the Big Bang, sits at the edge of science and the start of philosophy. Are we chasing a truth we'll never fully understand, or just a new frontier waiting to be revealed? We may never know what came before the Big Bang, or we might be one discovery away from rewriting everything we thought we knew. One thing is certain. The more we learn about the universe, the more mysterious it becomes. And maybe that's the point. This is Science Unpacked. Subscribe for more questions that break your brain.